I'm Shakti Kumar, Project Manager, Emerald Forum. This month we have made a very good progress on this site. We have casted this first basement floor level slab, and you can see the backfilling we have done almost up to this slab level of the basement too. Complete backfilling has been done, and now we are in progress with the ground floor slab, which we call as a plinth level slab. You can see the column reinforcement work is in progress, and we have the target to achieve the ground floor slab in another 25 days.